Look at him. He's walking on the ceiling. Well, now he's walking on the wall. But he's a very climby boy. He likes to climb. Now he's walking on the ceiling again. He could be a supermodel for birds. Or spiders. Oh, that's funny. Yeah. Are you just a show off? Yeah. You're like, I'm worth $600. And then there are these guys. And they're bouncy. Very bouncy. They're like, you wanted us to stay still? Good luck. You will never get to that. They are adorable. And then there are these guys. Very hyper as well.
Yeah, what's going on here?
And then there are these two. And they're just chilling.
They're like, we've been here a while. We know this. This is what my friend had as a starter pet.
Ah.
I always wanted the white one.
Chill.